to my video. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button and challenge, and in this round we have to beat zombies and skeletons that are getting out there on the ground, I guess. And there's literally so bad. Okay, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a candy. Okay. Okay, I think 25 can have to be the first. The way will now make a potion. Okay, can we drink it? Something will happen? Oh, please, no. Oh, nothing's gonna happen. It's just a normal thing. And before you watch this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comments. So I just got for the first time. Okay, no one crossed the road. Okay, so I wonder if I could. Okay, zombies are roaming the city. Run from them. Okay. There's coming. There's zombies. Okay, okay, I'm gonna stop saying that because it's so annoying. And I was so angry. Okay, the zombies are coming! Oh my god, I want to go down. Oh my god, I wish I could cut the... Oh my god, they're coming! Oh my god, they're coming! Please don't get caught. Okay, how can I turn into a zombie if I didn't even got cut? I think we should pull the lever. I think no. Many people are saying no, and I'm gonna press yes. Good choice. Who knows what could happen? Okay. Okay, because that was so cool. Oh, it's raining puppies from out of the sky. Puppies. It's raining dogs from another sky. Frogs don't need to sky. Just open. Okay, I like that. I like that raining topics. I can't wait till zombies are coming. She's zombie. Oh yeah, she is. Bye bye. Yeah, I don't know why are they going back. This is kind of weird. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be infected. Sorry for saying that. Okay, the zombies are coming right now, and how can we know someone's a zombie? Okay, just that. Zombies went again. Time to spam. Click the button. Ready. Okay. And right now I'm in my iPhone and my telephone, and I'm playing Roblox right now, and I have a lot of Robux, so it doesn't matter. Go how many? Okay, I don't know what the heck. 68 times amazing score. Wait, what? What is that? Elegramma 12 is a secret. Try not to get found. Okay. I'm so scared. Hey, what is this anyways? I'm so scared. Please don't get me. I don't want to get caught. Okay. I'm wondering where am I going because I'm like trapped right now. I don't know where I'm going. Oh my god, the seeker's right there. The seeker is right there. If you see that light, that means the seeker is like right in the middle of the thing. Just you know what? I'm doing my theory. This scare makes you fast for this. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yay. Quick, dodge this. Like. Okay, it's just not on purpose. Or what? Did it come? Newbie, are you okay? Okay, no, I know what to do. Can I grab this? How can I grab it? Oh, Okay, I think this one is not in the right spot. Uh-oh. Okay. What is... Oh my god, look at my hair. Come to my place? What? Defend the statue from noobs. Okay. Noobs, come to me. Come to me. I'm going to color you all. Just pink and French. Oh my god, Ninja Noob. Ninja Noob, you're dead. Hammer Noob, you're dead too. Hammer Noob. Sword Noob, kill it. Oh my god, he's so strong. He's so strong. Excuse me. Sword Noob. He's so easy to kill, you know. The noob is so easy to kill. Okay, I'm just gonna get killed right now. Please don't get close to me anymore, noobs. I want some fresh free life. Just gonna help him. This looks like he's gonna die. So, oh my god, he's a big one. Okay. Oh my god, no, the statue is gonna be failed. I'm trying to know. Okay, I cannot unlock statue. I'm so sad. Okay. Amazing. Let's you got protect. Protect. Jax has the hot potato. Don't let them pass it to you, okay? Oh my god. Ah, no! Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh my god. Why did I go close? Okay, why did I got close to him? Okay. Can I be on this side for a moment? Mwahaha. Okay, can I? You can literally just go up here and then just, you know. Okay, literally just covered 9, 8, 7. It's all blue, it's all blue, it's all blue. No! Time's up. Blue team won with... Oh, yay! Okay. Kind of issues some. Trex has a sword! Trex 04040... Wait, what? Has a sword. I will them until the round ends. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, the button disappeared. Press the button if you want it. Of course I'm gonna find it. Of course. It cannot be in the edges, so we have to look good. See what should we find. Wait, found it. Okay. I just found a diamond. Very easy. No. Okay, I was right there, I think. Remember what cup the coin is. Okay, it's in like that one right now. I'm spying on the cup that has the coin. Okay, literally, I know where is the coin right now. I literally know where is the coin right now. Like literally. It's literally this one. Yeah, I know it's that one. I really know. Yeah, it's literally that one. Let's see if you got the correct one. Okay, who's gonna handle it to me or what? You choose a curly. Okay, where am I anyways? Am I somewhere alone? Wait, what? Get through all the rings. Okay. Oh, I like that romantic song. Like an angel song. I really have to pass the one that I just missed. Okay, I'm so bad at this. I don't know how to do this. Okay, now I know. You only have to swipe your screenshot. No, not me, please. Please have time. Please! Okay, I'm not gonna have time. 9, 8, 7, 6. I'm not gonna make it, bro. Yeah, I was sure. Okay, really? The ducks are falling from the sky. Make them land in your basket. Oh my god, they're so cute. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, can I? Oh. I thought I was gonna fall to the floor. Okay, wait. Okay, is it gonna fall in my basket? How dare you? Excuse me, that was not nice. Now have. Okay. I have 5, and I wonder how counts up. Cabina 1 with 7 ducks, and that's me right there. I couldn't put my real name, and my real name is in shop, and I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Sure. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you don't